Hi, thank you so much for joining. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the My Messages feature on your Rallyhood dashboard. My Messages is an aggregation of all the messages that have been posted in the message wall of all of the rallies that you are a member of. Starting from your dashboard, click on My Messages. The message wall is where members of a group can post questions, answer questions, and share information. This is essentially an activity feed that helps you get a quick pulse on all the message wall posts across your rallies without having to click into each rally individually to look for new information. If you click View More, this will expand the message if it's longer than the viewing page. If you want to interact with that message, click on it, and this will take you to the original post. From here, you can like it, you can thank someone, you can write a comment, make sure to save it. You can like it here. You can also delete it or post it, and you can share the message. A great ability is that you can share this message into multiple rallies or one rally at a time. One rally at a time and share, or multiple rallies and share. This allows for no more copy pasting, reformatting, linking. You can easily share it directly from one wall to another in just a couple of clicks. Let's go back to our dashboard. Scroll all the way up the page, and on the left side, you'll see the Rallyhood icon. Click on the icon. Now you are back at your Rallyhood dashboard. I hope you found this video to be helpful today. We're very excited to have you. Thank you so much for joining. If you have any troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com. Thanks again.